Well, I think if we can all agree on one thing, it's that 2020 has been an unusual year and has really presented some unique challenges, and transportation being no different. What are you seeing from your shippers as far as some of the challenges that they're facing right now?
Sure, certainly very unusual. But with the uniqueness of 2020 and the industry challenges we've come accustomed to and to expect, such as holidays and other peak seasons, it's all escalated with the shipping environment into a particularly difficult one. And as we talked previously, Lauren, there has been a stark shift in the customer spending, and the volume of freight is nearly 80% higher than last year. And of course, we're also seeing that tender rejections have increased to above 25%. And from the marketplace, for every 5 loads, there's only 1 truck.
Yeah, absolutely. So, Hope, what are you seeing shippers do? How are they combating these really treacherous market conditions?
Yeah, so shippers from the capacity standpoint, they definitely are feeling the crunch and doing everything that they can to be as proactive as possible, from optimization to exploring other modes with load shift. They're also taking that hard, long look at their routing guides, renegotiating contracted rates with capacity commitments. So really, essentially looking for guaranteed capacity. And some are making the move to being able to instantly book capacity through partner integrations like Loadsmart, for example.
Yeah, I completely agree. I think right now it's clear that shippers are going to have to think outside of the box and do things differently than they have before, really lean on technology, their TMS partner and their partners to gain that edge on getting that capacity right now. So I'm really looking forward to going deep with you on this when we host our mutual webinar on September 24th at 2 p.m.
I am as well. I look forward to it. Thanks, Lauren.
Thanks, Hope. Talk to you then.